Selección nacional de Jamaica, número 23, Seleccion.
What a tremendous performance from the young Reggae Boys. And I was impressed. I was impressed. I won't go over the top as yet. As yet. But if that if that's what I'm seeing for the opening game, I'm very, very much impressed. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Happy New Year. The year has begun. I know it already. Work time again. Let me can turn up the brightness a little bit. Yeah. Work time again, people. Work time again. I know work short. Ready again. But Jamaica defeated Seleccion Bahio. I think it's Seleccion Bahio. I know the J is silent. In the first game of the Torneo del Sol, which is the Tournament of the Sun, um, international friendly that is taking place in Mexico. Now, I'm very, very surprised with the performance, fitness level, the nature how the boys approach a game, their intent. I was just impressed coming back from 2-1. I was really, really impressed with the overall performance, the mentality that was shown, and I thought this should be the baseline of performance we should get from this set of boys. No, albeit remember that they will play better teams. They will play better teams. Because not like this is one of the big teams them in the commission, but they will play better teams. But from what I've seen today, I've already started to be impressed. Initially, when I said for this competition, I wanted to see, I really wanted to see performance. That's what I emphasize on. I wanted to see performance. All right. So Seymour Reed scored a double for Jamaica's U17 team as they opened their account in the Torneo del Sol in Mexico with a 3-2 win over Seleccion Bahio. Reed, who plays for New York City FC Academy, and Cadriano Marsh were the scores for the Jamaica for scores for Jamaicans who were used in the tournament as preparation for the CONCACAF U17 World Cup qualifiers, which is slated to kick off in February. They will return in action on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. Well, which is today, because I do this a pre-recorded video. At 10:30 Jamaican time. So you know, say getting yourself out. Selection North were beaten 3-0 by Liga Premier on Monday, while Panama and Sirtes drew 1-1, and Guatemala beat Orient 3-2 in Jamaica's group. So, we're still in a good position. We like how we say, we want to work on the defensive aspect of the game now. The two goals we concede, the first one we concede, I thought we could have done a little bit better upon that. I thought that the goalkeeper could have came out and claimed the ball. No, remember Mexican them. I know say the Mexican them. Generally they shot. Generally they shot. But that specific Mexican, he have good height and he jump really, really high and the ball in that goal. But I do believe that the goalkeeper recognized that he was a little bit at fault for that. And for every other set piece, corner, goal kick, not corner or free kick in that area, goalkeeper come out and claim the ball. So that's actually a really good sign to see. In the other games played on Monday, Mexico beat Centros 5-0. Metropolitana beat Liga Top 2-0. Occidente Edge Sector Amateur 1-0. And Monacra were 3-1 winners over Guadalajara. Guadalajara. I'm so sorry. Yo. Crazy, yo, man. I tell you, crazy different. Anyways, so that concludes all of the information surrounding the games that played today. But the second goal we conceded, What was the second goal we conceded again? I don't remember the second goal. How many remember the second goal we conceded? You know what I mean? We know something go 2-1 knockout. We score first. We scored the first one. I think that's when Marsh scored. Marsh scored the first one. It was a really good goal as well. And the striker, brilliant hold up play. The striker is so good holding the ball. My word, he's very, very good holding up the ball. Hold the ball nicely, turn the defender because the defender was a lot of problem. Turn the defender, play the ball onto Marsh. Marsh just run on it and take the ball away from the goalkeeper and slot it nice and calm with his right foot. Then we conceded, we conceded, I think, 6 minutes later. Let me see if we can check. Yeah. We have all our details, yes, man. We have all our details, yes, I'm writing everything. Yeah, we conceded then 6 minutes later. We scored in the 23rd minute. So it's actually 5 minutes later when they scored back the header. And I think it was a good header though, but I do believe that we could have done a little bit better where that is concerned. Then they scored again on the 39th minute. I try remember the second goal. But I struggle. I'm struggling. I'm struggling to remember it. Anyways, but nonetheless, we got back our footing into the game. Our equalizer was a brilliant pass. I thought it was a very, very good pass. I think the equalizer goal was the one where them not build up like was a set piece, break down, and then play the ball run, and slap the ball right through the right hand side. Seymour get the ball onto the right hand side. I think jump was in front. On the right hand side, and Seymour just slap the ball past the goalkeeper. And the second one was on the left hand side. And Seymour's really, really, he was really active in this game, He was very, very active in this game. But I have to say, for me, outstanding performance. I thought Seymour was really good. Despite the goals that were conceded, I thought the goalkeeper was also good as well. The striker though, the striker, he was incredible, holding up the ball, inviting the wingers them into the game, late off on the midfielders. He was incredible. He was one of the best pint man player I've seen for his age. He's very, very good holding up the ball, receiving the ball under pressure, 2, 3 players around him, can't take it, and he played it off. It was a really good performance from the striker. But overall, I do think I have to say I enjoyed that game. The intensity that the boys play with, they played high intensity. They really, really work the Mexican players. At one point, I saw seeing a few of the Mexican players going down. I expect that would have been the Jamaican team, the altitude and stuff, and the here thin. So I thought that would have been the first to start basically get heavy legs. But a few changes made, not a lot because coach really want the interest in fresh legs for the games tomorrow. Because can't have the same team play back to back game. But tempo of play was really good. Technical ability was on par. The technical ability was really, really good. Um, Speed of thought was good. Was on display. Good speed of thought. Moving the ball around, possession, controlling the game. Attacking thirds, breaking line. Defenders breaking line when necessary. I thought overall, I'm looking at the players. I'm like, this team look a well coached team, and I really, really like what I saw. But the first game, let's see how they manage on to the second games, especially when the thing get a bit more rigorous. But let's see how that one materializes. But for me, I enjoyed the game. Good performance, showing the mental factor that these youngsters have. 2-1 down, come back, equalize, and then find the winner. That I think that's a very, very good. And overall, we were the better team. They did get 1 and 2 chances, but let me show you. All right, me take notes. This is from the 23rd minute when the goal score. When I tell more time Jamaica, me have Jamaican attack. The goal scored in 23rd minute. I think our goalkeeper did a small blood a bit in the goalkeeper and the defender, and a little bit of miscommunication. And look, any kind of nervous, but it still did have a good game. But Bahio scored in 28 minutes. Overall, we have we're attacking numbers are concerned, maybe it's like 20, about 20 to probably about 20 to about 11. Probably about 20 to about 11. But we double them in the amount of attacks we complete in the game. But overall, good performance. Hope to see a better one today versus Selection North. So let's see what that one has to provide. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys for the next game. Big up, MG Sports TV. Or out. God bless. Boom. I mean, outside.